Hey everyone, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. So if you like my videos, you can subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So for today we'll be learning about for loops, the fundamental of for loops in C++. So we need to understand what for loops are and what do they do. So for today, I'll be teaching you how they work. So with for loops, inside the loop you first initialize a value. You initialize, then initialize. After initializing the value is the starting point. It will start from this point, and then we have the looping condition. Looping condition. So it will loop until the looping condition is false. As long as the looping condition is still true, it will follow the loop. Then is the increment or decrement. Okay, then we have to increase that value or decrease that value. So for example, I'll make an example of how all of these things work. Now you'll understand them. You'll understand them practically when I write the for loop. So inside the looping bracket, we initialize the value and then we specify the looping condition. Then after that, it's the increment or decrement of that value. So let's head on and see a practical example of how to apply these terms. So let me say for. So I want to loop a value from 1 up to 9. Right. So the starting point will be int. So it's integer because it's numbers. Int 1. So it's the starting point. Then the looping condition. Then I must say, now let's say int a is equals to 0. Then we specify, we name a variable. So a is that integer that will store 0. And then so that I can say that a, as long as a is less than 10, right? So I'll say a plus plus. Now this is the increment. This is the initialization. Here we initialize the variable a, and then we say for as long as a is less than 10, you do what? You increment a by 1, right? So it's going to start at what? At 0. So now it's going to be 0 up to. So it's going to start at position 0. Then it's going to check is this value still less than 10. It's going to loop until 9. Because 10 is not less than 10, then it will stop at 9. So then we output cout a. It's the end of our line of code. Let's build this program. We don't have any errors. Then you see it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right. So it works like that because our starting point is 0. Right. It's going to start at 0 and then it's going to output a. The first value of a is 0. Then it's going to check again. Is the next value is 1 less than 10? Yes. Then it's going to put that value. And then it's going to put 1. Then it's going to increment by 1 again, and then it's going to put 2. Is 2 still less than 10? Yes. It's going to do that process like all over and over again until it reaches a condition that's not true anymore. You see, because 10 now you cannot output 10 because 10 is not less than 10. So that's why it starts from 0 up to 9. So for loops are quite interesting when you understand them. When I started out programming, I didn't understand for loops, and hence it's why I want to share them with everyone who wants to learn from my channel. So you must tell me when you're getting value from this channel. Tell me that if I'm making things easy or am I making them difficult. You must say, because I'm trying to make sure that you are on the same page here and everyone understands what I'm saying. So this is how for loops works in C++. So I'll make this an increment example. So I'll make an example where we decrement, right? So if you want to decrease, then so we're going to say it starts at 10, right? As long as A is greater than or equals to 0, then decrement it. So this is going to say A it's 10, right? It starts at 10. Now as long as A is greater than or equals to 0, 10 is greater than or equals to 0, yes, then now what must happen? I must decrease by 1, A minus minus, which means I'm saying what? You must decrease A by 1. So it's going to start at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's what's going to decrease. So let's build this, then we run it. So it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So we are decreasing from a higher value to a lower value now. So this is how you increment or decrement in C++. So if you want to learn more about coding and for coding knowledge, you can subscribe to my channel, or even if you want to learn other things, you let me know in the comment section, then I will create a video that is specifically designed for you. Thank you much. Don't forget. Thank you much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And in the comment section, please let me know if you are getting value from my channel, so that I can continue to make videos that are like this to inspire people to try things out.